Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Dishant and I'm going to explain you my project that I made. It is called Placement Cell and I've hosted my project on render.com. So let us just open this link on render.com. Okay, so this is my project and how this is gonna work is first of all I'm gonna show you how my project works, and after that I will show you my code in Visual Studio or on GitHub. I will also share link to my GitHub in the description, in the video description. So let's just start it. Let's just give any email. Let's just say Virat Kohli at gmail.com. This is the uh, email we are providing, and the password. Let's just show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, let's just sign up, and like we got the message that user is created successfully, and we can also just check it inside our MongoDB. Okay, so in the users collection, it should be there. Yep. So here it is available, Virat Kohli at gmail.com, and the password is hashed. Okay, so let's move on to sign in. So we are gonna use the same email and password as we have done, gmail.com. Okay, so signed in successfully. One another thing that I wanted to want to show you is that I have saved up the token, the access token on my local storage. And let me just show you that local storage here. And this is the token. I hope you can see this. This is the token that I have stored on my local storage. So after that, let's just add a student. I'll show load students. Okay. After I have added a student to show that this is working in real time, because I have added a lot of dummy students in my student list. So let's just give Rohit, college, let's just say DTU. In placed, we will say placed in DSS score 24, 23, and 21. Let's just add a student, and it says that it's student added successfully. Now we can also check in students. We can also check this in students. Yeah. So you can see that Rohit DTU and with the respective scores. I can see that. Now on this load students, it just loads the student names that I've added on the in the MongoDB. And Rohit you can see that this is the student that we have added recently using the API add student. Now interview, I can create any interview, like for, like just say the company name is Indian cricket team, right? And let's just say any arbitrary date we have chosen this, and we have said that interview created successfully. Now we can also see this in interviews. We will find this interview in our, yeah, you can see this, like company name is this and date is this. Now the array is empty here. You have to understand that array is empty here because there are no students that are allocated to this interview. We will come to that part later. So after creating an interview, we can see that load interview list, and we can see that Indian cricket team and the respective date here. After that, we after that, what we can do is we can allocate a student to our interview. And how we are going to do that, we are just going to, in interview ID, I can just name Indian cricket team. This is the name of the, this is the name of the interview. And on in student ID, we can just go to our MongoDB, go to students, and after going to the students, we can go to our latest, yeah, and this is the ID that we have to pass, the object ID. We have to pass object ID here, and after that you can see that student allocated successfully. Now to ensure uh, that the Rohit, the student, is allocated successfully in the Indian cricket team interview, we can just check our MongoDB. And here you can see that the student array have one, right? We can just say it, and this have stored the object ID of Rohit. Okay, now next thing is mark results. Now mark results, it's going to be same. Indian cricket team, Indian cricket team is taking the interview name and student ID. Student ID is going to be same as Rohit, and we're gonna just say that it is passed. So mark result pass. Now again we're gonna go on that. Let's just refresh it. Okay, instead of refreshing, I can just do this. And now if we go to in results also we have, in results array we also have one element now, and which is object. Yeah, okay. Now what else is left? External job list. Now this load jobs is just fetching external jobs that uh, by using the API that I've got from question doc. It is, yeah, let's just wait a couple of sec. Yeah, gives an API, gives the API gives a list of jobs. However, I don't know what is wrong with that, but it is working. It is working even though there are no jobs listed here. And after the last one, just download all of our information in a CSV format, and you can see that I've already the file name is data2 because I've already saved, data. That's why if we can go inside, we can see that in CSV format. Yeah, here it is. You can see all of this, and I wanted to show you my backend code also, which is this. I hope you can see it. This is the front end part. Not This is not the front end part. This is the app.js. Now these are my routes, CSV routes, interview routes, job routes, user routes. These are my interview models, student models, user models, and last but not least, my controller. This is the CSV controller, interview controller, job controller, student controller, and user controller. In front end part, we have our index HTML5, we have our script JS, and we have our style CSS. So I hope I did a decent enough job. So thank you for thank you all of you for watching this. I'm also going to uh, mention my GitHub link so that anyone can just check it out. Okay, thank you everyone.